and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my how I deep clean and organize my fridge. Now, ever since I actually did my pantry organization video, I had really been wanting to do a follow-up on like how I organize my fridge, because obviously half of my food's in the pantry, half of my other food is in the fridge. So I really wanted to do a how I organize it, and I figured since this week I was going to go ahead and deep clean the fridge anyways, because it was looking a little, you know, covered in spillage. I might as well film it and share it with you guys, give you guys some tips on how I clean it and how I organize our fridge to suit, you know, our little family's needs. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Starting off like any other good organization project, first we're going to take everything out, including my little cold brew maker, because boy did that need a deep clean. So I'm just going to be taking everything out of our fridge, get it all nice and cleaned out. Of course, as we're cleaning out the fridge, we want to make sure that we look for things that are past due, you know, anything that's a little expired or smells a little weird that's time to throw out. This fridge, we actually got it back in February, so we haven't let it get too bad yet, but one thing that I think definitely helps is the inserts that it has on the side doors. It makes it so easy to just take them out and wipe them down. I tried to stick with more natural, not as harsh cleaners, so I'm going to be using mostly white vinegar to clean everything inside of my fridge. Ideally, it would be nice to have a spray bottle, but I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just going to be pouring some into a little container and dunking a clean rag into there just to get everything nice and wiped down. Now, these inserts weren't too bad, so I didn't really feel the need to give them a full like warm soap and water type of cleaning. Just a little wipe down was just enough to get them all nice and clean. So taking the rag with white vinegar on it, I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a quick little wipe down inside. Now, I actually wasn't able to figure out how to take out these drawers. I really wanted to take them out to give them a little bit of a deeper clean with water and soap, but I couldn't figure it out. So good thing the mixture of just vinegar and a little rag worked just fine. But what I was able to take out were these little shelves, and good thing, because these had some really nasty spillage on them. I don't even know what it was. It was thick, it was sticky. So I did go ahead and wipe those down with some warm soap and water. Alright guys, our fridge is officially super duper clean. I mean, it's literally sparkling. It is so satisfying to me. I threw out a bunch of stuff actually that was
way past expired, literally chunky milk. It was nasty. So we have everything nice and organized now. Really not much left, so we definitely have to go do some grocery shopping for a few staples, but everything is nice and clean. Alright guys, so final little tour of our finished, clean and organized, filled with healthy, delicious things for the week's fridge. So I guess we'll start from the top. So up here we just have what I like to call our little drink section. Me and my husband, we don't drink any types of juice or any lemonades or stuff like that. Like, we are just water and sparkling water type of people, which is why you'll see we have, you know, some Filipinos down here in our little drink section. So that is it for our drinks. Up here I did leave this spot empty because probably later tonight I'm gonna make some cold brew, and I have a little like KitchenAid cold brew thing that I usually set right here. It has a little spout, perfect for that. We have some almond milk, Greek yogurt back there, and then this is a really fun tip for you guys. I actually really like to put my cilantro in a mason jar filled with water because it actually makes it last longer. I think I saw this on some, I don't know, probably some hack video a long time ago, and ever since then I've been doing it, and it definitely works, you guys. My cilantro does not get droopy. It's perfect, so I definitely recommend that tip there. And then coming down to the next shelf, I do have all our, like, well, not all, but most of our fruits and veggies organized in these clear containers. I really enjoy seeing them like this. One, because honestly, not even gonna lie, I just love the satisfaction of opening up my fridge and seeing all the pretty colors, but also because I feel like these are cherry tomatoes, right? If I open up my fridge because I'm hungry and I'm snacking, like, I'm most likely gonna pick up one of these and eat them. There's that, and then we have our little bin here that just has some greens. So like, this is one of my favorite tossed salads from Trader Joe's, which is super simple. Like, just eat this with some chicken and rice and you have a healthy meal. You know, just some more green stuff, some bay leaves and spinach and all that stuff right here on these bins. Nice and easy and accessible. And over here is where I usually will keep my fruit, whatever fruit we're doing. Like right now we're doing blueberries and strawberries, so I just keep them right here, and I already washed them, so they're perfect and ready to go. Like, again, this is all eye level, so if I don't want a cherry tomato, then maybe I'll want some strawberries. Nice and easy. And then usually right here I actually have, like, this is the chicken that I'm actually about to make. I've thawed it out. It's in this bowl ready to just grab, and probably we'll make that with some vegetable from down here. Here's our little tortilla section. So we have corn tortillas, and I have like flour wrapped tortillas to make like a healthy wrap or something like that. Right here, yes, I just have some, you know, turkey, ground turkey for some meals that I'll be using very soon, which is why they're up here. If I wasn't using them within the next like 2 days, then I probably would just put this down in the freezer, but I'm using it soon. Of course, we have our little egg carton thing, which I definitely feel like if you're trying to organize your fridge, this is one of the first things you should get, is a little egg organizer, because trust me, it just, one, how adorable does it look? I definitely feel like it helps your eggs from not cracking. It just looks really cute. Definitely a must for fridge organization. Down here I just like to keep some lemons and limes. We have a cabbage, and usually I'll also put, like, if I have half of an onion or things like that, you know, I'll put them in this drawer. And then over here we have more veggies. So I have a bag of broccoli, a bag of asparagus, a squash. And then down here we do have our deli drawer. So this is probably one of the most satisfying like organizations that I think I've done in the fridge, because when I got this fridge, like, I had never had a fridge that had a deli drawer. So literally everything was just, I feel like it was so big and so long, everything was just flying everywhere. Like, every time I would open it and close. And I found the most perfect acrylic bins. These are actually really deep, but they perfectly fit so that it like closes so nicely. I love having these. They came in a pack of 4. So I have just some cheeses, cream cheese over here, more cheeses, more like shredded cheeses, and then this is the little like sandwich wrap area, just some deli meat, more cheese. We have our dips, we have salsas, we have more cheese, and then I like to keep our bacon right, but we got turkey bacon, regular bacon. So this is how I like to organize this little section. And then of course we have our doors. So our doors honestly are nothing that important. We have some extra drinks there, some chicken broth, I have some like little marinades and salad and almond butter and more of like sour cream stuff. And then this side, I mean, this is probably the best side, right? Because this is like the coffee section. So I like to use almond milk. We do have some, you know, Irish cream, regular milk, mostly for baking or stuff like that. We have our little condiment section. And then of course we have like the little box of shame, as I like to call it, because this is like leftover ketchup that tells you clearly we were not healthy that day because we went to In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A. And then of course we have a little bit of homemade salsa right here. And so yes guys, this is our organized fridge, ready for healthy balanced meals for this week. And then just really quickly down here on our freezer, I did get things nice and clean and organized. So this big deep one is where I put, you know, our little crinkles, fries, hash browns, bread, you know, some more meats, chicken and patties. You know, this one's kind of empty because I would stock up on some more chicken and stuff like that. This section's nice and empty, just with an extra bag of ice. And we have our little smoothie drawer. So this is what I like to call my smoothie section, with some frozen bananas. We have some berries and pineapples, and yeah, everything's nice and clean. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found a little tip to how easy it is to just go ahead and deep clean your fridge, and of course some inspiration to organize it to help you make some healthy choices this week. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think. I will be having everything linked, like my cubbies that I use in the fridge, things like that. All that stuff will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!